Look at the following question that tests you on your understanding of English grammar and usage. Now the statement says, his blackened finger was testimony of the fact that not only had he played in pain, but also hardly gave up. Here, the phrase testimony of is incorrect. Testimony should be followed by to say that something is proof of something. So his blackened finger was testimony to the fact, was proof of the fact that not only had he played in pain, but also hardly gave up. Here the word hardly, the adverb hardly is again incorrectly used, because hardly is used to quantify quantities, and it is used when we are talking about insignificant degree. For example, if I say we hardly know each other, in that case know is a word that is described by the word hardly, right? But here I mean to say that he rarely gave up. How many times did he give up? The answer to that should be hardly ever and not hardly. Therefore, options A and option D. Option A and option D can be eliminated because testimony of is incorrect. Here instead we should have the phrase testimony to. In option A, in option D, the phrase not only is followed by but, right? Whereas not only pairs with but also. If I want to say that he's not only smart but also rich, in that case not only and but also forms the correct conjugational pair. However, here not only is followed by but, and therefore option C can also be eliminated due to the same. Not only here in option C is followed by but. Again in option C there is an error of hardly. While we should, hardly is incorrect in this particular statement, the correct phrase is hardly ever. So therefore we can conclude that option B is the correct answer, and the correct statement should be, his blackened finger was testimony to the fact that not only did he play in pain but also hardly ever gave up.